Hello friends, today in this video we are watching the latest wooden door frame design ideas and later we will discuss what will price for making this kind of wooden frames designs. So friends, a door frame is structural support that hold to the door in place and allow it or swings or slide or fold or open and close. While it might be seem of purely functional, the doorframe design plays its crucial role in both structural integrity and aesthetic appeal of a space. Modern door frames designs goes to the behind basic utility. Today's frames blend materials and innovation and craftsmanship and design versatility to suit different architectural styles, environments and budgets. And the structural support hold to the doors a leaf place in bear its weight and friends, here is of refined guide to the popular door frame designs in India 2025 and with material styles and ballpark of prices. The first one is the wooden door frames. These are solid timber like teak and marble and premium natural wood frames. This durable and termite resistant and customizable with carvings of glass inserts and experts. 3,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per typically internal door frames. Its exterior assembled for hunks of cost 5,000 rupees to 8,000 plus rupees. Engineered wood or MDF and laminated doors. Affordable wrap resistant option with factory finishes. The price range from 1,500 to 2,500 for MDF and 2,500 and 3,500. The veneer and laminated frames, MDF core with a natural veneer for real wood look, it's 2000 rupees to 3500 rupees. And another one is the UPVC and composite door frames. These are low maintenance, termite and moisture resistant. It's ideal for exterior doors and wet areas. The price is the 1000 rupees to 2500 rupees. Composite frames and UPVC wood or steel. These are durable and wood-like look. The higher end materials. The price is the starting at 3000 rupees to 5000 rupees. And alternative materials is the concrete frames low cost and termite proof around the half cost of take. It's roughly 1500 for simple frames. It's you can fix the kitchens or window frames and stone or brick surrounds, mostly decorative in rural and village settings. It's available but less and common. And design and styles you can explore. Ash of frames, good for traditional and colonial aesthetic. And rebusted and flush of split frames, flush for modern and minimalistic robots for exterior tight ceiling. The glass and glaze frames, its combination of wood, metal or frosted of clear glass for light entry. And the mild steel door frames, basic mild steel frames 1626 ideal for study and affordable and main door setups. WPC door frames, composite of frames 3500 rupees of low maintenance and paintable. It's great for bathrooms and kitchens. Rectangular wooden door frames is entry level wooden frames 240. These are suitable for light and interior doors through the quality may